Hey folks, welcome to Aunt Sandy's Kitchen. We are going to be making homemade whipped cream. I had made some pies and we needed a topping for them. I got heavy whipping cream. I'm going to shake it a little bit. I put my bowl, my metal bowl, and my whisk in the freezer for about 10 minutes to get it good and cold. You're going to need 1.5 cups of whipping cream, a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to pour that in there. My pies look so good, but when I went to pick them up, put them on the counter, had a little crack in it. So good thing I'm putting a topping on it. It covers up all the mistakes and things like that. This is 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to start out low. Let's see, a little bit more. We're going to add the powdered sugar. This is a 1/2 cup. Looks like and stir it, make sure it's all Okay, we got our whipping cream. This is how it looks. Nice and fluffy. Check out my Etsy store for merchandise. If you like this video and found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.